It's skincare time with Origins Glow and Believe kit featuring the GinZing and Mega Mushroom collection. Hi everybody! So I got the Glow and Believe kit from Origins, and it is the GinZing Mega Mushroom Hydrating Glow kit. It has the Refreshing Scrub Cleanser, the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience, and then the Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. So I'm going to use them all because I've heard really good reviews about this, specifically the GinZing Gel Moisturizer. And the main negative that I've heard for some people, it made their skin feel a bit flaky. So, okay, this is a lot smaller than I anticipated, because the pictures actually make these things look a bit bigger. Now I have small hands, so these things are literally like the size of my palm, so it better be like magic in a bottle. But yeah, it's pretty much kind of like samples. So the whole collection, this Mega Mushroom one sounds a bit watery, so I'm not sure if it's supposed to sound like that because it says it's a treatment lotion. But we're gonna go straight into the GinZing Scrub Cleanser. And I did bring up the notes from the website, and it says the GinZing Refreshing Scrub Cleanser buffs away dullness. So let's go ahead and buff away dullness because I want to glow. Alright, so okay, I didn't take that much, just a little bit. You can see that. It looks like there's little exfoliating beads in here. So I'm just adding a bit of water to my hands. It foams up a little bit, so there's a nice little lather to it. And there's an orange smell. It smells like oranges instead of GinZing. I'm just taking a little bit more. I am starting to feel like a tingle as I'm using this, particularly around this area where my pores are a bit bigger. But also the exfoliating beads, they're not rough on my skin, which I really appreciate. It's really not rough, and it kind of just goes in. Okay. So I think this is pretty well done. I will say the scent and just the tingle is making me feel more awake. So if you're using this in the morning, that scent, I don't know if it's like oranges, it just smells like oranges, but the scent and then the little tingle that I'm feeling is waking me up. I'm just gonna wipe all of that off. Everything is gone. That is all good. And now from here, I'm going to grab the Mega Mushroom Relief Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So it says on here, because I did shake it initially by accident. Okay, not by accident, by curiosity. And it says shake well, then pat on clean skin with cotton pad or fingertips, AM and PM. So this is a morning and evening treatment. And in here it says that the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion boosts luminous hydration and soothes the look of redness. So I don't really have much redness. I tend to get it right around here though, and a little bit around my nose. So let's see if that keeps it from coming. It smells like soap. It smells like generic soap. Okay. And it's honestly, I would not say this is a lotion. This comes out literally like toner. Let's see. Yeah, this comes out like toner. Oh, I definitely put way too much. So there's like a little lather to it. But this, I wouldn't even call this a lotion. I'd call this a toner or a serum. like a powdery smell. Like a powdery soap smell. Let's see. I don't even know what to say. It's a bit weird. But it dries pretty fast. And there isn't that much of that stickiness you get after a toner, but it definitely is a feeling like you need to put a moisturizer over. But I don't know why would they call this a lotion. It's not a lotion. Let's just call this the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Serum, because this is not a lotion at all. So this part is where it usually turns red. It's not really turning red right now. So I'm hoping it stays that way, but I don't know. I don't know really what to think about that one. So after that, what we're gonna do, and this is the one I actually like really wanted to get. The GinZing Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, because I was reading on their website and a lot of reviews were saying the Origins GinZing collection and all their products in the GinZing is the best because it brightens your skin, it gives you a glow, and that's what GinZing's supposed to do because I believe it has vitamin C in it. So this is the full lotion, and according to the website, GinZing Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer boosts radiance and delivers 72-hour hydration. So, see if it actually does that. It has like a faint citrus smell. And it's really smooth when it goes on. This actually feels really nice. It tingles a lot. Especially where my pores are open. That's where, well, not open, where my pores are larger, which is like this whole area. It is tingling. Oh my gosh, it is tingling. Whew. I don't know if it's tingling in a good way or a bad way. I would say this comes off more like a gel cream, which fits because it's a moisturizer. Like I said, I don't know why this one is called lotion, because this is more of a lotion than this, and this is like water. So a few things, right? Because of the tingling from the ginseng, which I'm assuming it's tingling because of the vitamin C that's in it, my face is slightly turning a bit red. So this one that says it's supposed to like soothe redness, where is it? And soothes the look of redness. I mean, it's not too red per se, so it's not like bright red. It looks like a little blush, so I'm not sure if it's soothing it or if it's not really working, unless this was supposed to go on top, but that doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Overall though, I would say the ginseng products I enjoyed, because like this one smelled so good and I felt more awake once using it, but also it wasn't too rough on my skin, which I really appreciated because I just recently tried this exfoliator that was so rough on my skin. I honestly just never want to use it again. I'm dreading it. And then this one, honestly, I feel like for a gel moisturizer, it's doing its thing. And look, my skin, it has this nice little soft glow to it. It's not dewy, but it's like a soft glow. So I definitely want to keep using this one to see the results, because I do have this nice natural soft glow. It's not dewy at all. It's just a nice soft sheen. But I will say this ginseng from here, the ginseng collection, so far these two just make me feel more awake. And I feel like because I'm more awake just from using these products, my eyes are more open, a little bit bigger. So that's probably helping with me just looking more awake, more radiant, more vibrant, which is what the Origins Ginseng collection was saying. It was saying like, hey, we'll buff away the dullness, we'll give you this radiant look, And I think if you look more awake, you tend to have this kind of radiant look. So in terms of the whole kit, the whole Glow and Believe kit, I'm going with these two. I'm kind of with this one. But yeah, this is me trying the Origins Glow and Believe Ginseng and Mega Mushroom Hydrating Glow Kit. And if you have tried any of these products, let me know what you think of them. Or if you're interested in them, feel free to ask me any questions all in the comments below. Thank you so much and bye. And then this, whoop,